This is to make you think that you are unique. And Hashem sends us over here in the time that He sends us. For example, I'm talking to you, we're in a generation now. We are 216 years apart from the end of the 6,000 years. Why Hashem sent us to this generation? There's a reason. The reason is, I have a correction to do, and I can do it in this generation only. Hashem gave us a wife. Why did He choose this wife? Because this wife is exactly the one tailored made to correct me. Kids, these are the kids that will correct you. The food that you eat, this is the food you have to eat, because this is where the sparks of life that came down, that only you can bring them up to life again. This is why we choose apples that we like. This is why we choose the car that we like. This is why we choose the city that we like. What is all this liking? What is also the things that tell us to do that? This is what I should do. It's all Hashem talking to us. This is what you're sent here to do. You are here to be a doctor.